Ever wondered why some Facebook ads just look and perform on another level? Well, the secret isn't more budget. It's the tools the pros use inside Meta. So today, I'll show you 4 Meta tools that can make your ads look like they were built by an agency, even if you're a one-person team. Experiments. Most people run campaigns, then guess what worked? Experts? They test it. Meta's experiments tool helps you find out what's actually driving results. Run A/B tests to see which ad or audience performs better. Use brand lift to measure how well people remember your brand. And conversion lift to see if your ads really caused that sale, or if it would have happened anyway. Because what gets measured gets improved. Audience segment. Now this one's a hidden gem. Audience segment. No more guessing. No more complicated retargeting setups. Just smart, automated audience control. That's the secret behind faster learning and better retention. Value rules. Forget manual targeting. That's old school. With value rules, you just tell Meta what matters most. Focus more on people aged 25 to 30. Spend extra budget in targeted region. Meta follows those rules automatically. You're not targeting anymore, you're guiding. Creating reports. And finally, if you don't track results, you can't grow. Use Meta's Creating Reports tool to build your own custom dashboards. See your ROAS, CPA, CTR, cost per purchase, all in one place. Then, take smarter actions based on real data, not guesswork. Yeah, don't just boost posts. Use these 4 Meta tools and turn your ads from okay to data-driven professional. Which of these tools have you tried before? Drop it in the comments.